Korean hornbeam is a very desirable tree for several reasons. One is that it has a beautiful, distinctive bark that are almost fissured and it's whitish. And the reason is that because it's in the birch family, which always turn whitish in the bark. It is highly desirable because the fall leaf color is a beautiful, soft yellow. And the most distinctive reason is that it has a lot of ramification. When you look at the tree that we ship out, it's got a lot of buds that are ready to burst out. You can have very long growth very quickly and full of buds, which means, when you cut it, it will do a lot of branching. So you can get ramification very quickly. And that makes it a beautiful winter silhouette without the leaves, because all of the branches to show an indication of age. The advantage of our tree is that you will find they are grown in very fertile pescadero sandy loam soil, and we use the same soil to add amendments to make them to be a perfect mix so that the trees will grow extremely well. And with our patent pending bonsai pot with a little hump in the bottom to retain water, our trees will grow very rapidly under your care. And I think our goal and our purpose is to never ship a tree until it's ripe. We've been growing these hornbeam in our rich soil in Pescadero for 4 to 5 years now.